The United States Coast Guard is asking lawmakers for $1.57 billion to rebuild its operational capability. The biggest item is for nearly $140 million for an HC-130 aircraft that would primarily be used for long-range surveillance. The Sea Service says it's 3 short of the 22 in its program of record. Next on the list is $113 million to outfit and assemble 4 MH-60T helicopters. The Coast Guard has been working on extending the lives of its fleet by swapping out hulls, electrical wiring, and some components to double their lives from 20,000 flight hours to 40,000 flight hours. The Coast Guard's unfunded priorities list is meant to highlight critical efforts not included in the regular budget request. To see more details on the list, visit defensenews.com.